Hello, Kamato Class! Welcome back sa isa na namang pag-aaral ng aralin sa mathematics. The figures that you've seen will be part of this video. Our topic is using the distance formula in proving geometric properties. Let us start knowing about this. Let us consider the triangle PQR with coordinates P, -3, -2, Q, -1, 3, and R, 1, -2. Show that triangle PQR is isosceles triangle. So ano nga ba itong isosceles triangle na kailangan natin ma-prove? In our geometry, we said that isosceles triangle is a triangle with two congruent sides. So ibig sabihin, dapat mapatunayan natin na kapag ginamit ang distance formula, may dalawang side ng triangle na magiging parehas ng sukat. And let's start illustrating it. P is -3, -2. Q is -1, 3. R is 1, -2 based on our given. And when we connected that, yan yung triangle natin na papatunayan natin kung siya ba ay isosceles triangle. So, aalamin natin ang distance ng bawat side ng triangle. So, dahil distance yung aalamin natin, gagamitin natin ang distance formula para mahanap ito, which is the square root of the quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So, by substitution, unahin na nating alamin ang distance ni P kay Q. So, ito yung magiging sagot kapag nag-substitute tayo. We let this as x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And we let this as y sub 2 minus y sub 1. And we arrive with this. Then we perform the operation, -3 minus -1, change the sign of the subtrahend, and -2 minus 3. The result will be the square root of -2 squared plus -5 squared. Pag in-squared ang -2 at in-squared ang -5, we have the square root of 4 plus 25. At pag in-add, we have the square root of 25. So, ito ang distance ng P sa Q. So, nakuha na natin yung una. So, alamin naman natin yung pangalawa. How about this one? Sinubstitute na uli natin. Ito yung x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Then, y sub 2 minus y sub 1. And we have this. Okay? Then perform the operation. 1 minus -1 is 2 and -2 minus 3 is -5. At pag in-square dito, the result is the square root of 4 plus 25. And when we add that, dito sa dalawang side ng triangle, nakuha na natin ng distance, and the distance of PQ is equal to the distance of RQ. So it implies that PQ is congruent to RQ, which describe the definition of the isosceles triangle. Hence, triangle PQR is isosceles triangle dahil two congruent side ang ipinakita niya. Ito yung PQ at QR. Ang tanong, baka sabihin nyo ay yung isang side hindi natin kinuha, maya-maya baka parehas lang ng sukat. So, kung titingnan natin, horizontal naman siya, mabibilang na natin 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 ang distance from P to R, so iba na dun sa dalawa. Kaya talagang siya ay isosceles triangle. Let's have another one. Consider the quadrilateral LOVE has coordinates L, -5, -2, O, -2, 2, V, 2, -1, and E, -1, -5. show that the diagonal of quadrilateral LOVE is congruent. So alam naman natin pag sinabing quadrilateral, apat na side na polygon. So i-illustrate muna natin para malaman natin alin ba yung diagonal na pag-uusapan natin. So let's have this one. L is negative 5, negative 2. Then O is negative 2, 2. Then V is 2, negative 1. And E is negative 1, negative 5. Pag kinonek, ayan yung quadrilateral na pag-uusapan natin. Pero ang kailangan nating ma-prove or maipakita ay ang diagonal ay congruent. So pag sinabing diagonal, ito yon, from O to E and L to V. So ayan yon. So yan yung aalamin natin ang distance. Kailangan at the end ay maging parehas sila. Okay? So gamit uli ang distance formula. Alamin na natin si OE. So ito ngayon yung ating x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Then y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Ito yung naging result. Then perform the operation. Ang result is the square root of 1 squared, negative 1 minus negative 2, change the sign is that. Then we have negative 7 squared, negative 5 minus 2 is negative 7. Then squared that. We have square root of 1 plus 49. Pag inad, square root of 50. So pwedeng i-simplify ang square root of 50. That's 25 times 2. So 25 ay square root nun ay 5. Yung 2 wala na. So ayan yung magiging sagot natin. So nakuha na natin si OE, yung distance. So ito naman tayo. Sana ito rin yung sagot para masabi na sila ay congruent. So LV, we have LV. So ito naman ang ginamit nating LV. Ito yun, no? LV. So ito naman ang ginamit nating x sub 2 minus x sub 1, y sub 2 minus y sub 1. And we arrive with this. Then perform the operation. Magiging square root of 7 squared. Dito ang sagot ay 7. Dito ang sagot ay 1. And square that. The result is square root of 49 plus 1. And the square root of 49 plus 1 is square root of 50. And square root of 50, pag sinimplified, 5 times the square root of 2. Hence, OE is equal to LB, or the distance of OE is equal to the distance of LB. It implies that OE is congruent to LB. Therefore, the diagonal of the quadrilateral is congruent. Okay? So proceed with the next. Let's have this one. Triangle DEF has coordinates D 1, 1, E negative 3, 5, and F 1, 5. Show that triangle DEF is isosceles right triangle. So in this case, we will try to prove that this triangle is isosceles right triangle. Ang isosceles, dapat two sides ay congruent. Ang right triangle, ang isang angle ay 90 degrees. Dahil concentrated lang tayo sa distance formula, ang pwede nating gamitin para mapatunayan ang right triangle ay gagamitin natin ang Pythagorean theorem, which is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Alamin natin kung paano ito gamitin, and let us illustrate it first. We have point E, negative 3, 5. We have point F, 1, 5. And we have point D, 1, 1. And connecting the points, so yan yung papatunayan natin kung siya ba ay isosceles right triangle. So syempre gamit ang distance formula, alamin natin ang distance ng tatlong side ng triangle na iyan. So unahin natin si EF. So from E to F, so ito yung x sub 2 minus x sub 1 and y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So we have this. Pag sinubstitute, then perform the operation. We have negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4, and 5 minus 5 is 0. Then we have the square root of negative 4 squared plus 0 squared. At pag sinob, that will be square root of 16 na lang kasi 0 na to. At ang square root ng 16 ay 4. So the distance from E to F is 4. How about FD, the distance of FD? So distance of FD is square root of quantity 1 minus 1 squared plus 5 minus 1 squared. So ito naman ang pinag-uusapan natin. Ano? So ito ngayon ang ating x sub 2 minus x sub 1, y sub 2 minus y sub 1. We arrive with this. Performing the operation, magiging 0 na to. 5 minus 1 is 4 and 0 squared plus 4 squared. At pag sinimplified, we have the square root of 16, which is also 4. So mapapansin natin that EF is equal to FD, yung distance nila. So it implies that EF is congruent to FD. So ito ay congruent sa FD. Pero ang totoo, pwede yung bilangin na lang from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, kasi horizontal naman ito, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tumama naman sa computation natin. Dahil dalawang side niya ay equal, so ibig sabihin ito ay isosceles na ang triangle na to. Pero hindi hanggang doon lang kailangan mapatunayan na siya ay isosceles right triangle. Tsaka may isa pang side, baka pag kinompute natin yan, maging parehas pa yung sagot, hindi siya magiging isosceles. Pero, let us see it. So, alamin naman natin ang distance ni ED. So, ito ngayon ang x sub 2 minus x sub 1, y sub 2 minus y sub 1, and we have this. Pag pinerform ang operation, negative 4 squared, ito naman ay 4 squared din. So, we have this. And that 16 plus 16 is square root of 32 pag inad, at pwedeng i-simplify na 4 times the square root of 2. So, iba na talaga yung sukat niya dun sa dalawang nauna. Kaya na-prove na talaga na isosceles. Ngayon, i-prove pa natin na siya ay right triangle para siya ay isosceles right triangle na. Sabi ko kanina, gamit ang Pythagorean theorem. So, yung ating ED, ito kasi ang magiging C natin. So, parang ito yung longest side. So, kaya yan. So, ito yung dalawang side kanina, si EF at si FD. Substitute natin yung mga sagot. So, 4 square root of 2, yan ang ED. Tapos ang EF ay 4, ito ay 4. So, itong 2 exponent, i-distribute natin sa 4, kaya magiging 16. Ito naman, pag dinistribute sa square root of 2, magiging 2 na lang. Kaya 16 times 2, ito naman 16 plus 16. So, we arrive with that. At pag pinerform ang operation, mapuprove natin na this is 32 is equal to 32. At dahil the triangle is right because sides satisfy the Pythagorean relations. Napatunayan, na-prove. So, ibig sabihin dahil kanina na-prove na natin na siya ay isosceles, dito naman na-prove natin siya ay right triangle. Therefore, triangle DEF is isosceles right triangle. Okay? Proceed with the next. How about quadrilateral HOVE? Has coordinate H, negative 2, 1, O, 3, 6, P, 4, negative 1, and E. Show that quadrilateral HOPE is rhombus. So, rhombus naman yung kailangan natin ma-prove. Pag pinag-uusapan ng rhombus, ito ay quadrilateral din na ang mga sides ay congruent. So, 4 sides na ang magiging side dapat congruent. So, dapat nating patunayan na magiging pare-parehas ng sukat yung mga sides niya. So, illustrate natin. So, this is H, negative 2, 1. That's O, 3, 6. That's P, 4, negative 1. That's E, negative 1, negative 6. Connecting the point. Ayan. So, 4-sided polygon siya. So, quadrilateral ito. Papatunayan na lang natin na siya ay rhombus by getting the distance of each side. So, HO, OP, PE, and EH. Okay, unahin na natin si HO. Siyempre, galing uli sa distance formula. So, we have this. So, ito yung x sub 2 minus x sub 1, y sub 2 minus y sub 1, and we arrive with this. Performing the operation uli, 3 minus negative 2 at 6 minus 1, that is 5 squared plus 5 squared. Pag in-square ng 5, that's 25 plus 25. Therefore, the answer is square root of 50. At pwedeng i-simplify na 5 times square root of 2. So, nakuha na natin ang distance ng HO. Distance naman ng OP. OP, ito naman ang x sub 2 minus x sub 1, y sub 2 minus y sub 1. At ito yon. So, 4 minus 3, 1, negative 1 minus 6 is negative 7. Kaya yan, 1 squared plus negative 7 squared. So, pag sinimplify, square root of 1 plus 49, pag inad, square root of 50, I mean. Pag sinimplified, 5 times square root of 2, parehas yung dalawa. So, dalawa na lang ang kailangan nating makuha. So, let's have the other one. So, PE naman tayo, this one. So, substitute ulit natin. So, ito naman ang ginawa nating x sub 2 minus x sub 1, y sub 2 minus y sub 1, and we arrive with this. So, pag pinerform ang operation, square root of the quantity negative 5 squared plus the quantity negative 5 squared. Pag in-squared, square root of 25 plus 25. Pag inad, square root of 50. Pag sinimplified, 5 times square root of 2. Kaparehas uli ang sukat naman nitong PE or distance ng PE dun sa distance ni HO at OP. Ito na lang ang kailangan nating masolve. So, EH. So, ito naman ang ginawang x sub 2 minus x sub 1, y sub 2 minus y sub 1. And we have this. Perform the operation, negative 1 squared plus 7 squared. Then, we have square root of 1 plus 49, which is equal to square root of 50. Pag sinimplified, equals 5 times the square root of 2. Hence, the distance of HO is equal to the distance of OP, which is also equal to the distance of PE, and equal to the distance of EH. So, it implies that HO is congruent to OP, which is also congruent to PE, and congruent to EH. Hence, HOPE or the quadrilateral HOPE is a rhombus because all sides are congruent. Okay, that's all. Come out of class. God bless us.